Hey folks, Crasher here. I'd like to show you something that my boyfriend sent me for our first anniversary in October. It's, although it wasn't able to be put together, the plastic was so brittle and it cracked and it wasn't able to be put together. I still think I should show it in a video because if one finds it in good condition, then to be able to put it together from the looks of the picture on the cover of the box here, it looks pretty awesome. It looks like it would be a good figure for someone's collection if they were able to find a good one. So I still think I should show it off. Oh, anyway, without further ado, this one is from Bandai, 1986, made in Japan. And it even has even has a Snapfit kit and Japanese lettering, Machine Robo Series number 5, and it looks pretty good. Bandai logo on the bottom, and it looks pretty good. So the Japanese company Bandai, which was the company that made a Machine Robo series of figures that later became known as GoBots, produced in 1986 a group of 6 bigger figures based off the characters in their anime that Bandai made called Machine Robo Revenge of Kronos. This is the Porsche Robo one. It turns into a Porsche 956. This is the figure based off the Machine Robo figure, Machine Robo number 20, that became known as GoBot Crasher. This one is called Combat Racer. It's a bit bigger than the original figures. It's made of entirely of plastic Snapfit pieces that are supposed to snap together to create a Porsche 956. No glue or anything. So, like I said, it looks great on the box. If you find a good one, it could be a great figure for the collection. And it comes with instructions with pictures and stickers with decals that you can stick on the figure. I'll open the box and show everyone. So Combat Racer. Here's the instruction paper. Combat Racer, Machine Robo Series number 5. It says Combat Racer on the side with the Porsche 956 figure here. It looks very cool, and the instructions for putting it together are here. They're and the directions are in Japanese, but the pictures are here that should find it easier to fit the pieces together. There's no glue or anything, it just fits together, snaps on. So in case somebody finds a good one, it would be a good figure for the collection, I think. And it looks really awesome. And when the pieces fit together really nicely, there's numbers to show which pieces fit which numbers. And the pieces are supposed to fit in the plastic case there that are shown. It's shown right here. Oops, sorry about the light shining into the picture. I get rid of that right now so you could see it. And then yep, and the figure also transforms, so that's really nice and really cool. It kind of looks like that. So yep, it's nice. And it also comes with the plastic decals that you need to stick on to create the to complete the Porsche 956, to complete the Rothmans Porsche 956, of course you need the decals, the stickers, the livery for the car, and these just stick on. You just take them off the paper and they stick on. They're stickers. So if you find a good one, these will be very nice for someone's collection if they can find a good one that where the plastic isn't brittle. I don't know what happened. Somebody must have gotten it exposed to the sunlight or something. Well, it is 1986, so because it is composed entirely of plastic, well, some plastics erode over time. So it's likely nobody's fault that it got broken, but it would be a good addition to somebody